Experiencing a delayed response from your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max side button? You're not alone. About 5 to 10% of users report this issue, often within the first year. This button, used for power, Siri, and the action button, may suffer from latency exceeding 200 to 500 milliseconds. The problem stems from a combination of hardware and software factors. Hardware-wise, dust, sweat, or debris can accumulate in the button's micro switches, adding mechanical resistance. Software issues can also contribute, including iOS bugs or post-update calibration errors. Even environmental factors like extreme temperatures or humidity can affect sensor sensitivity. The increasing focus on thinner designs in the iPhone 17 series, while aesthetically pleasing with its titanium frame, has inadvertently led to a 15% rise in side button complaints compared to the iPhone 16. Start with non-invasive methods. First, restart your iPhone. Ensure you're running the latest iOS version. Apple released iOS 18.1 with diagnostic tools for button lag. If that doesn't work, try cleaning the button area with compressed air and a soft brush to remove potential debris. If the delay persists and you suspect a hardware issue, professional cleaning or replacement of the button assembly might be required. Apple offers free repairs under warranty for confirmed defects. Otherwise, authorized repairs typically cost $50 to $100. For high-usage gamers, regular cleaning is crucial. Keep in mind that future iPhones might utilize solid-state buttons or graphene-based sensors for improved reliability. Apple is also predicted to integrate AI-driven diagnostics to proactively identify button wear.